Hello, my love, it's my Chassis Pips. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's feature, I'll be presenting to you my best essentials and beauty products that I used last year and until now. Okay? But before that, I'll be sharing with you again more Christmas gifts because I received some Christmas gifts last week. Yeah, and they keep on coming because I'll be meeting some of my friends next week because they were in vacation during the holiday season. So we will catch up next week, and most gifts for me, and I have gifts for them also. So exchange gifts. Okay, so first thing first. I received this last week from my gorgeous cousin Pai Tanyada. Remember, the fashion designer of Obra Alta Costura. Oh, baligtad pala, sorry. First, I received this luxurious Christmas gift. This is a beauty set from Korea. This is from my gorgeous cousin Pai. Yeah. So this is how the Dong Jibin. The good thing about my skin, my skin doesn't react to any skincare products. So this is my skin is so strong. Yeah. So anything I can use. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, skin. Yeah. And this is the skincare. Yeah. So there's and this is the skincare. So emotion, facial wash, facial cream, yes, and eye cream. This is a Korean skincare products. So the instructions are in Korean, and good thing there are English instructions. So I'll be using this soon because I'm now finishing the one from Shiseido. Yeah. Okay, and another one from my gorgeous CC, Chai Chen. Remember my special guest in Louis Vuitton? So she gave me this that day. Yeah. This one. So this is my first time to unwrap this. Grabe, Chai. Ang higpit naman ito. It's so tight, Chai. Ano yan natin? So, yan. Kasi naman, you have to natin. So, I can see. And, wow, extra strength daily peel. So, another skincare. Yan, this one. Yan siya, skincare. And, wow, what's this? Another one. Wow, I love this. Oh my god. I love this sis. Oh my god. Oh, kakikayan. Oh, thank you so much for this. I love kikay stuff. Yeah, and skincare. You know, my friends really know what I want. Another skincare. Beautiful Magnolia. Oh, I love Magnolia set. Thank you so much. And meron pa. Uy! Oh my God. Thank you so much, Sis Choi. She gave me a miniature Santo Niño. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for this. I really love this. Next, my love is my Josepher from Mr. Don Cristobal and his team. Oh, Jack. Diba? Ang dami. Because I attended the Thanksgiving party of Team DC Manila. And another mug. Yan. So nice. You know what? I really love the mugs gifted to me by Mr. Don last year. My God. Even though you put it in the freezer, it will not crack. Promise. Oy. Oh, diba? My shirt. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, MFB, the Metro Fashion Ball. Oh, diba? Yan. And lots of, oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god, there are lots of coffee. I say coffee. Yan. Yan. Lots. And organic. Oh, food supplements. You know what? I love food supplements. So choco. There's also choco. So this will be for Joaquin. Yan. And another food supplements. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Mr. Don and Tim. Uy. And soap. Another soap. And this is a feminine wash. Actually, this is virginity wash. Maybe I'll be virgin again when I use this. Okay? I don't know. Why is it virginity wash? Maybe pH balance. Oh, it will tighten. Oh, I need it. Skin tightening. Lightening with cooling effect. Yeah, with cooling effect. So I need to try this. Because right now, later you will know what I'm using. Oh, there is a MAC eyeliner pencil. I need this. Even though I'm not into eyeliner. Oh, and then good thing there's a sharpener on it. Nice. This is so nice, Mr. Don. Love. Ang dami. Lots. Love. Yeah. So I have the soap, the Mistisa, and more. My love is my Chassis Pebs. I won a raffle. I love it. Pillow from Hong Sing LKRR. Yeah. So, and I'll give it to Joaquin for him to use it in Quezon. Our home in Quezon, right? And exchange gift. This one. And this is so nice also. Fubu. Yeah, and this will be for Joaquin as well. Yeah, so lucky you, Joaquin. And more. This is a shirt from Thailand. Here. Oh, this is so nice. I love this, Mr. Don. This is for my hobby. Yeah. As you know, I'm not a t-shirt girl. Yeah. And this one I love. This is a bonnet, so I can use this if ever I'll go to Baguio. O, diba? Nice. Siya, nice. Yeah, nice. Nice. And more pa ba? And another virginity wash. Yeah. And another, ano pa? Oh my God. 2. And this one is not MAC na. Waterproof. It's romantic. What this? I don't know the brand. So, another eyeliner. And no more. That's it. From Don Cristobal and team. And I received calendars. This is from my gorgeous friend Hazel. Yeah. She's the marketing head of White Flower. And if you want a calendar, just let me know. So I can give you a calendar. And inside there's a small white flower. I'll show you. So this is the white flower inside the calendar. Yan. So now game. So we'll start with my best essentials. My cleaning buddies. Because as you know, I don't have an assistant. I don't have a helper at home for almost 13 years already. Imagine that. And I survived. Yeah. As if I'm living in other country. Yeah. So I'll share it with you. This one, you need to get this. This is a Tuff from Personal Collection. Oh my God. This will make your life easy. Yeah, this one. This is for surface. This is good for the floor and even sa mga tiles. So you better grab this. And this is not so expensive. And good thing with Personal Collection, the ingredients are natural, so it's not harmful. Another one from Tough is my toilet cleaner. Yeah, and this is so good. Before, I clean our toilet and bathroom for 1 hour. Now, 30 minutes. Or it's not that our toilet or bathroom is so dirty. It's not like that. I'm just so OC. Yeah. And, of course, from Messy Bessie, it will make your home smell so clean and fresh. You better grab this. And this is not so expensive and natural ingredients. And for your room, this one. For your linen, this for your linen. This is also nice, but I prefer this. Yeah. Another fave from Messy Bessie is this minty orange surface cleaner. This is so good, and I already ran out of it. And my on the go and bodies, be polite. Yeah. So if you will poops outside, so if you don't want other to smell your poops, so you have to spray the toilet bowl with this, and you can sanitize the toilet bowl. So this is a perfect combo. And lastly, the best dishwashing liquid I discovered, Libby. This one, the ginger. Kaya unfortunately, still out of stock. That's why I tried this one. This is also good, but not as good as this one. So I'm still waiting. So Nova Store, you better restock na. You better replenish na. So I got pa this one. This is also nice. The lemon, I think. This one is, what is the calamansi or lemon scent? But I love the ginger more. This is so nice. Oh my god, the best, because when I use this very famous dishwashing liquid that we have in the market, oh my god, my nails were ruined. So with this dishwashing, oh my god, praise God, nice na uli ang nails ko. But sorry, I'm due for nails pa tomorrow. Yeah. Yes. Before we continue, my loves, my Josicabs, maybe you're wondering why I have this stamp S, because I just came from the SOFA Design Institute for Gather graduation show. So I'll be showing you some reels soon, okay? And I'm so amazed with the collections of the new graduates. As a matter of fact, one of the graduates gave this to me. See, Kyla Jen, something like Kyla Jen. So sorry, it's Kyla Jean. Thank you so much again, Kyla Jen. Yeah, and you better watch my Get Ready With Me for that SOFA graduation show event. Okay, so let's continue. So next, my on-the-go buddies. So let's start with this Pili Annie hand sanitizer. Oh my god. When I received this last year, I was not able to use it immediately because I'm still using alcohol, you know. But when I use this, oh my god, I can say that this is the best hand sanitizer in town. Yeah, and as you can see, as much as I want to use this, I use this sparingly because it's kind of expensive. Sa naman Pili Annie, you will have a promotion for this. This is, for me, this is the best hand sanitizer in the market. Yes. And of course, white flower. I always carry this in my purse because it has a lavender. The oil is a pure lavender, and it can relieve, for example, if you're shaded or kind of dizzy, or even if you're having palpitation, or you have and if you have tummy ache or whatever pain you have, this could help you. I promise. Yeah. This one is so good. So I always carry this. And of course, my throat spray. I don't go out without this. Same with the two. Yeah, because we don't know if we are virus free already. So it's better safe and be OA. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. So next, let's talk about skincare. So for the skincare, this one, I'm using this Abel Royale lotion. This is Clarify. This is the double. It's a double Clarify and Repair Essence. Yeah. This is so. This is a very nice lotion. They call it lotion, but in fact, it's a toner. But you will not use cotton when you use this. You will just apply it with your hand, with your fingers. You will just apply it with your fingers. So you need to. It's like this and that. Yeah. So the reason is already have because I put it in another container so that when I travel, I have this one. Yes. And next, serum. So I love the serums of Dr. Sensitive, the collagen, vitamin C serum, and retinol ceramide serum. And the other one, because I ran out of it, that's the niacinamide. That's the best serum they have. Yeah. So I'll show a picture here because my son's pimples were treated by that serum. Yeah, the Dr. Sensitive Niacinamide. And it will only cost you something 200 plus. Before, this is only 100. Now, it's 200 something. And if you will purchase the tube, it's almost 400 pesos. Or almost 500, I forgot. Yeah. But this is so nice. This is what I'm using now, the Shiseido Vital Perfection. I have lots of this. That's why I'm not buying yet the tub. Yeah. So during the event with Shiseido, the one I met in Rockwell, Myrna, gave me tons of this. So I'm using it. And this is so nice. Because when I had a skin analysis from Jor Beauty last November, the only problem of my skin is it's kind of, I need to tighten it and hydrate it. Yeah. So, because I'm already 51 and turning 52 this year. Oh my goodness. Yeah. And when I tried the Jor serum, this one, yung rose serum, during the event, oh my God, this is so nice also. But I'm still finishing all the samples because it's kind of expensive. My God. But worth it because you will use it for, I think, 3 to 6 months, and it will cost you 45,000, or it will cost you 30,000 or 45,000, because the high-end serums will cost you almost 50,000. Most of my friends notice that I have a very nice skin. Yeah. Thank you so much for all the skincare. And in my skincare routine, the most important thing for me is sunscreen. So now I'm using this, the one I bought from Japan. This is so nice because this is a tone up at the same time sunscreen 50 SUV 50 tone. Because I need to refill my Shiseido. This is the best sunscreen, promise, because it also works as a primer before you apply your makeup. And my most favorite sunscreen, Armada, of course. Yeah, but I need to restock again. And speaking of primer, I have the Guerlain. But I'm still using the samples they gave me. Kasi nga, still ano pa siya. Yeah. And this is also so nice. Guerlain. I love the skincare of Guerlain. But it's kind of pricey. That's why I'm applying it sparingly. Yes. And for skincare, since I have a sensitive skin, My face is not sensitive, but my body is so sensitive. That's why I need to use lotion without a scent. And I'm using this. So I'm using this lotion, the Cetaphil Bright Health Radiance. This is so effective if you have some dark spots from insect bites or rashes. It will help lighten it. So even in your groin area, and this is so nice. Promise talaga. This is so nice. It's kind of expensive. This is 1,200. So this one is good for 1 month for me. So I use this morning and I use this morning and night lotion. And now my favorite lotion aside from this, because I use this first, then I layered it with this. This is from Victoria's Secret. Oh my god, this is so nice because the scent is so mild, and there's a shimmer. You can see there's a glitters. There are glitters. Oh, yan, no? Nice. There are glitters. And it smells good. That's why I even mentioned before that, oh, see? My God. It smells good. When you apply it, you can layer it with your favorite perfume. So it's still good. Yeah, that's why better get this. I think this is a limited, but maybe it's not, because I need to buy again. This is so nice talaga, so you better grab one. And for our sensitive part, I'm using the Gynapro. For all the ladies out there, this is so nice, especially if you have your period. Yes, I still have my period and still lasts for 4 days. Oh, healthy. And before I forget, I also love this, the Mario Badescu facial spray. I learned this from my niece, Aliza. Yeah, and I'm using this especially in summer and whenever I really need to be under the sun. So sunscreen, then this one. Yeah, love this. And I just want to share with you the giveaway of Sofa. This is a room linen spray. Yeah, thank you so much, Sofa. So next, makeup na ba? I know, not yet. I need to show you my favorite soaps. Yes. So, since I have a very sensitive body, yeah, my body skin is so sensitive, but my face skin is not sensitive. Yeah, so I'm using also the Cetaphil brightening soap. Yeah, this is nice. So, good thing some of the Mercury drugstores are still have the promo buy 2 take 1. So I was able to purchase 3 boxes. So that's basically 3 free bar soaps. Yeah, this one. This is nice. And this one, the Lux Organics, but I'm using the pink. This one, my son is using this. This is nice for those who has acne or some, pimples. We call it acne. Yeah, this is nice. And also, it can be used on your face as well. And, this one, this is a soap from Dr. Jenny. This one, so I can use this na kasi nga I want this to show you in Intimo V, and it can lighten your sensitive part. Yeah, it's kind of pricey. This is $7.50, but it's effective because I had an allergy in my groin area, and then when I use this, it lightened the brown spots. Now, not brown anymore. White na uli siya. Yeah. Nice. It's nice. This will cost you $7.50. Let me know if you want. I'll give the contact details of Dr. Jenny if you want this soap. Yeah, this is only exclusive. You can only purchase the soap at Dr. Jenny's clinic. Yeah. And this is the number and the clinic of Dr. Jenny if you want to purchase this soap. So next, makeup. I always mention to you that I'm not into foundation. So I'm using the BB cream of CanMake, and you can purchase this in all beauty bar, and they have a kiosk in some department stores, in Landmark, and I think SM, not sure with SM. Yeah, CanMake. This is nice. I'm using it right now. And this one, the eye white. So see, I need to restock this. If events, I use the BB cream of CanMake. If just to ano lang, casual meetings or business meetings, I use the BB cream. And then on top of it, I use the Get Ready With Me, the pressed powder. I knew this product during pandemic. The one who owns this is a nurse at the same time vlogger. Chris, I think Chris, and he had a big launch of this Get Ready With Me, and Heart Evangelista is the face of Get Ready With Me. Yeah, this is Pearl, and I need to, and this is nice. So for ano lang, grocery, I will just apply sunscreen and this one. This is a very nice pressed powder. So I need to, or this one. At home, I just use this. The Dr. Sensitive. This is a loose powder. Yeah, loose powder siya. And sometimes at home nga, I just wear sunscreen lang eh. And I put lip gloss, natural lip gloss, and eyebrow cream. Kasi we need to do something na sa eyebrow. Yes. For events, I use this Christian Dior loose powder with glitters. Yeah. And as of this moment, still out of stock here in the Philippines. So I got this 2 years ago. It was gifted to me by my brother Jesse. Yan. And I use this sparingly also because still out of stock. Hopefully, Jor Beauty will release, even not in a limited package, even though in a regular package, no, not necessarily for a limited package, because this is limited. This one 2 years ago, their spring, yeah. And I'm wearing this. This is the Meteorites of Garland. It comes with this buff, yeah. Eh, kaya lang may colors na rin to, eh. Colors of this, oh. Yeah. This is how it looks. Yeah. So, this is the last routine if I'm doing my makeup. After applying a blush, then I apply this. This is the last step. The Meteorites. And for the eye palettes or eyeshadow, if I want just a natural look, I'm using the CanMake. This is so nice, the CanMake. If you just want a natural look, you better get one of this. You can get it from Beauty Bar and other department stores. In Landmark and in Mitsukochi, the mall in BGC, the Japanese mall. Yeah. And this one I bought from Japan. This one. Yeah, o diba? Consume almost, as you can see, I always use this because it's just natural look. I use this. And this one, glitter cream palette from BYS. Yan, oh, diba? Nice. Nice yan. This is a palette, cream palette. So, nako, hoping for BYS to improve your packaging because it's broken. So this one is the palette. So as you can see, this pink one, I use this for blush. This two. And this one for eyeshadow na. Only the white and the blue and the green. Yeah, but mostly the pink shades and the blue one and the white. This is nice. from BYS. For my eyebrow, also from BYS. Sorry, it is also broken. The case, oh my god, BYS talaga. You have to improve your packaging. But even though, I still like your eyebrow cream. But, because it's broken, and this one, this is the lighter shade. I don't know what happened. And this one is the gel, or the, you will apply this first, but apparently the powder of this went here. So like that. So I'm using this. That's why it takes longer. So it's blessing in disguise. But you need to improve your packaging, BYS. Yeah. And for contouring, I got this from TikTok. Yeah, here. If you want, you can put it here. Yan, yan eh. Yan. And this one. Like that. No, I have no mirror, ha? Hindi ko nakikita. Yan. And then that lang. Tima? Naisi nga. What? How do I look? Oh, diba? Ganyan lang siya. Wala. Oh, diba nice? Tingnan ko nga. Yan lang. So, this one, I think, this is OTW eh. I got this from TikTok shop. And now, they have a kiosk in SM Makati. Yeah, this one. And I love also the eye, you can use this as highlighter. This is a highlighter, but I use this as an eyeshadow also. I love BYS. Yeah. What else? I also love their silver eye shimmer. I don't know where I put it, but it's nice. And the BLK, because I already ran of it, the BLK shimmer eyeshadow, that's so nice. I put a picture of this, so I need to restock also of that. Yeah. And before applying lipstick, I apply first lip balm. So this is from Pili Annie. This is a very nice lip balm. So this is only mint, so colorless. But I got the one with tint. So I have this here. Yan. So good thing Pili Annie gifted me one mint and one with tint. Yeah, this is so nice. So whenever at home, I just use this. Yeah. And then here before applying lipstick. And I have my favorite lipsticks here. So number one is my Hermes lipstick here. Because I really love this. Yeah, look, oh, this is magnetic. So they are the first, Hermes is the first to have a magnetic lip case. Yeah. So there's no chance of ruining your bag or whenever your lipstick is inside your bag or your purse. Yeah. So this is my main favorite, the number 11. Yeah. As you can see, almost consumed. Yeah, good thing I have the one from Jor Beauty. So that's why I can buy this maybe after 3 months. Yeah. And this one, this is the Rose Pop. This is the limited pink shade of Hermes. Yeah, here. This is the shade. This is so nice. This is my favorite pink shade. Yeah. Nice. This one. Here is the shade. And the other one, this is nude. Yeah. I love it. Super love this too. Imagine, oh. Yeah. And also, if I want really to wear something dark, not parang dark pink red, this is from Tivian. This is the Lip Spell. This is also one of my favorites here. As you can see. Yan. So parang combination siya ng red and pink. I love this shade. This is Lip Spell. And of course, my Jor Beauty Lippies. So this one, the Jor Addict lipstick. So it comes with this. It's like a maroonish. Yan. So, yan. And this one, you can just buy a refill because this is a case. That's a good thing also with Dior. And this iconic red lipstick, the 999 from Dior Beauty. The 999 here. The 999. Yeah. So here. So yeah. Red. And here, the good thing about this case, yun oh, this is also refillable. Yan oh. See? You can change this. Yeah. Yeah. But this is not magnetic. But the new lipstick bullet of Dior Beauty is already magnetic. This one, not yet. Yeah. And my favorite nowadays is this Lippy, my number 100 sequin lipstick here. The one I'm wearing right now. So here na. Yan. May glitters yan when it dries. Just wait, and if it's dry, just wait and the glitters will appear. Yeah. Nice. This is. If I need to wear dark color lippy, I always grab this Guerlain Limited Rouge 19. And look of this lipstick case. So sparkly. Actually, this is pink in person. And this lippy case comes with a mirror. And can you see this? This is like a maroon brown. But it doesn't show here the true color. And can you see the wording? Guerlain. There you go. Right? This is so nice. And when I attended the master class, Sheila Toralba engraved my name. Nice, right? I think that's for the makeup. And lastly, my love is my Joseph. My favorite perfumes I used last year. Yeah, the most worn perfume. And one of you, ACLE Creatives 1666, requested for this. I would like to see perfume videos like your favorite scent and notes. And good thing, this is part of my vlog. Yeah. So first thing first, well, you can see naman, so which is really my most favorite perfume. Last year will be this Guerlain Flora Bloom. Oh my goodness, this is really so nice. Everyone loves it whenever I wear this. As you can see, almost consumed. My goodness, oh my god. So I need to the good thing about Guerlain, you just need to buy a refill, the 200 ml. And one of my gorgeous friends also bought this, so we will share that refill. So the cost will be cheaper because this one is 12,500. So the what you call this, the refill will cost us 14,000. So that's 200 ml. So 7,000 each. O diba? This is 125. So at least, diba? Yeah, because you have a case already. And I have a small here. Oh, almost consumed na rin. My goodness. So it is gifted to us by our SA there, or our beauty ambassador, Tonette and Miss Jonette. And also in Guerlain, I love the Mandarin Basilic. Yeah, this one. I have one of this pa. Yes, so that's for Guerlain. And my next favorite is my Hermes Twilly Classic. Yan. And almost consumed already. So, And another Hermes, another favorite perfume from Hermes is the Monswali, which I really need to get one. That's the best perfume. Aside from Twili, Monswali, and the New Barenya. So that's my target for this year. This one, Twili again. So in a year, I consume 2 Twili Classic. Yeah, good thing this is a gift. Yeah. So the other one is not a gift. So yeah. My Labradudes always give me perfume because he knows that I really love perfume. And third is this, the Miss Dior EDP. So I just received this last December, yeah, and with the roll-on. So you can check my reels. This is Dior. And I also love the new Miss Dior Parfum created by Francis Kurjan. Yeah, soon. So I'm just waiting for their package. I'm just waiting for their package because I really want a good package. If I purchase perfume from Dior Beauty, I want there is a promo package. To be, you know, just to be practical. Next, this one, the Chanel number 5. My God. I'm wearing this during events. The nice thing about this perfume, you don't need to retouch. Just apply once and you're good to go. Yeah. So just apply, spray here, then you're good. Yeah, this one. I love this. Not everyone loves the scent, but me, I really love this. Yeah. The Chanel. And my favorite also from Bulgari, the Amethyst and the Crystalline. Yeah. I have a bigger one of Crystalline, but it's already consumed na rin. Oh my God. Oh, I love this scent, the Bulgari. And this cutie, Moschino. Oh my God. This is one of my favorites also, Moschino. This is so fresh. And I love the packaging, right? The packaging is so nice. Oh my God. As you can see, almost consumed. So there's a promo of this, buy one, take one. So, planning to get one. Yeah. And another favorite, the Tory Burch. I love this. Divine Moon. O, diba? Consume na rin. Ang notes dito, ano lang to eh. Fresh lang. More on floral. My notes talaga, I like floral scents, citrus, and powdery. Yeah, that's what I like. And another one. Ito yung Miss Dior ko. Meron pa pala to. Yeah, another Miss Dior. Yung last natin. Yeah. And from Zara, the Red Temptation. This is my everyday, perfume. Yung mga errands lang, Zara. And this one, the Zara Orchid and Gardenia. Here, the 3 most favorite perfumes in Zara. The Red Temptation, Orchid, and Gardenia. Yeah. And don't forget to join my Christmas giveaway. So I'll give the link down below the description box. So just watch what I got for Christmas and watch until the end so that you will know the mechanics. I'll give the link down below the description box. And lastly, my lovelies, my Jossipebs. My favorite is from Louis Vuitton, the California Drink. It comes with this packaging. Yeah, this one. The reason why I love this, when you perspire, you will smell great. Yeah, promise. Yeah, that's why it's really good for summer. Yeah, this one, the Louis Vuitton. It's also more on floral powdery. Yeah. So those, and I love to get the one, the Akepete. I don't know the pronunciation with the Murakami. So we're just waiting to open the pre-ordering. Yeah. So, yeah. And for the guys, I love the scent of this one from Hermes. For the guy, this one from Hermes. This is the perfume of my husband. But my husband doesn't wear perfume that much, only during events. But when meeting or on his work, he doesn't wear perfume. Yeah, and this is Chanel. Yeah. And I love also the Bulgari. The Bulgari. Yeah. I also love this one. This scent is also nice. And aside from Hermes, Chanel Blue, and that Bulgari perfume, I also love Savage of Your Beauty, and also that Mont Blanc. Because when I smelled that, oh my god, that's so nice. Yeah, super, the Mont Blanc. I forgot the name. It's just a sample but it smells good. Yeah, so for my male subscribers, so you better try those perfume. Yeah. So before we end this vlog, I have last perfume. This perfume is not only my favorite, but this is part of my life. And maybe you can guess it. This is and this perfume was very popular during 90s, late 90s, I think, late 90s. Because I wore this during my wedding day and my honeymoon days. Yeah. And when I wore this, it has a different scent on me. That's why it really makes me happy. And this is Clinique Happy. Yeah. The problem with this perfume lang, when I bought this from a reseller in TikTok, when I use this, this is different from the perfume I bought from the store. That's why I'm not using this as much as I wanted. So I need to purchase this one from the store. So I have the complete set on my wedding day. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. That's it. Clinique Happy. And maybe you have to try this also. Yeah, this is a Clinique Happy. So when I wear this, it really makes me happy. That's a wrap again. My love is my Josephs, and thank you so much again for finding time to watch my vlogs. Yes, and hope you like this segment. Just want to share with you my best essentials and beauty products I wore last year, and which I'm still using right now. Yes, so that's it. And don't forget to join my Christmas giveaway. So you still have 2 weeks. Yeah, because it will end on the 31 of January. So better watch what I got for Christmas and join there. So I'll give the link down below the description box. Okay, and so another follower, Stephanie Labuang, don't worry, I'll be filming also a food trip, and it will be in Binondo, because I'll be filming next week the feng shui forecast of my friend Samson Chua. So stay tuned for that. My love is Josephs, and after that, my friends, we will have a food trip in Binondo. And stay tuned for my best clothes, shoes, accessories worn in 2024. Okay, and soon I'll be featuring my bag collection and shoes collection. Okay, so thank you so much again. So until next time, I love you, Josephs. Love ya. Mwah.